So hopefully that Desmos activity gave you an idea of at least an introduction to functions, right? So let's jump into the book. We're going to start on page 349. So when we talk about inputs, and or rather functions, a function is basically a rule that's going to turn an input into an output. So first example, 1a, says the input is the number of mangoes that we know cost $2 each. The output is the total cost, what you're going to pay at the cash register. So if every mango is $2 each, we put in one mango, we get an output of $2. We have two mangoes, we get an output of $4. So go ahead and fill in the next two boxes. What would the output for three and then four mangoes be? Three mangoes, hopefully you got, would be $6. And four mangoes would be $8. Oh, kind of switched to something else here. Let me go back to my pen. $8. All right, moving on. Part B. Part B. Input. The X value is going to be the number of students. The output is going to be the least number of two student desks needed. So this is a little tricky to understand. Basically what they're saying is that all of the desks in this classroom, kind of like in the science classroom, they fit two students, right? So if you have one student, they need a desk. If you have two students, they still only need one desk, right? So let's say I have another student, a third student. How many desks would they need? Well, that third student can't sit at this desk, so he's going to sit at his own desk. So that's going to require 2 desks for 3 students. And then we have a fourth student here. Well, that fourth student could fit here. So I still only need 2 desks. So how many desks would you need for 5 and then 6? Give it a shot. Hopefully you found that 3 desks would work for 5 students and 3 desks would also work for 5, or rather for 6 students.